maybe you don't need to dig any more deeper. Maybe you're digging too deep. Have you thought about that? Because here is the thing. You've already proven to yourself you can trade. You understand your process. You understand the system that you have created for yourself. You have proof of concept being multiple 100K funded. There's one thing that you did say that could be a massive reason as to why you are now looking deeper into why you have this lack in belief. And that is because you said, I am not milking the market. Why do you need to milk the market? Why can you not just make steady income from the market? And then build proof of concept that that is possible to withdraw money from the market through your funding. And then once that confidence and faith and belief system is built through actually achieving achieving that monetary gain through that process, then doubling down once that has happened. Because there is nothing that is going to stand in your path other than you thinking you need to dig deeper into why your belief is lacking right now. If, let's say, you trusted in what you did to get to where you got to and you just continue to trust in that. Because I can almost guarantee you, if you lost all your funding, touch wood, I know it won't happen, but if it did, right, you will be able to go back and get funded again because you've done it not once, you've not done it twice, but you've done it multiple times. Now you're just at the stage where you need to get consistent payouts, again, proof of concept, to prove that, or to show yourself that this is possible. And then once you've done that, then the milking can come. So maybe you're just digging way too deep. Nobody has the answer for you. You do. And you just need to spend some time mulling that over and asking yourself, why am I being so cynical? Why am I overthinking this? Why am I deep in something that I just potentially don't need to deep? I've already done the groundwork. I've laid the foundation. Yes, I'm a little bit hesitant and concerned that I can't withdraw money from the markets because I haven't milked it yet, or I haven't yet done it yet. Or guess what? When I started my funded accounts, I went into drawdown and that I lost a little bit of confidence. Why can't we just leave it at that? That's what it is. And just get back to the focus of what you did to get there and just keep going. I'm telling you now, the biggest scam is thinking that you need to keep digging deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. You do need to dig deep, but if you want to lose weight and you just change your diet slightly by stopping eating crisp and donuts, which is your biggest crux, right? And at the end of the week, you've lost a pound. Okay, a pound, 1 pound, not kilogram, not kg, 1 pound. Is that not proof of concept that if you shift your diet from eating unhealthy to healthier, even if you're eating all the other junk, but you remove donuts and crisps, that you can continue to lose weight if you continue to do that? Is that not proof? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. That being said, what if you eliminated all junk, replaced it with healthier food, and done 10K steps every single day? Are you not guaranteed to lose more than 1 pound a week? Yes or no?
Yep.
What if you get to the end of the week and you don't even lose 1 pound, you put on a pound for some reason? Should that give you cause for concern? If you've already
Right.
had proof of concept that you've lost 1 pound just removing crisp and donuts. No, it just means you need to continue doing it until the results catch up.